Om Namah Shivaya, my name is Mark. I'm a Shivananda yoga teacher based in Greenwich, London. Please subscribe to my channel. I will teach you yoga in all situations, even balancing on a wheel. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Bring your left foot forward at the edge of the mat, at the left corner of your mat, left foot. Bring your palms parallel to the left foot. You can bring your chin up higher, feel a nice gentle backward bend. So to get into a deeper stretch on the inside of the thigh and on your hip, you can try to bring the elbows and forearms down. It is easier to bring the right elbow now down. If you can also bring the left elbow down, try to rest your forehead on your thumbs. If there is too much pressure on the knee, you can bring the foot slightly on the edge. This will allow more flexibility to bring the forearms, hands, elbows down. Breathe here. Then place the palms down, extend the arms again. We try to get into a balanced pose. That's lizard, and then there's a flying lizard. At least we try. For lizard, we need to bring the left palm on the outside of the left foot. We need to swivel the left foot towards the center of the mat or under the chest. We bring the weight on the arms. We tuck the right toe under. We shift the upper body forward. And then we try to extend the right leg. And we are flying. Everybody need to, yes, beautiful. Everybody need to find out, but keep their head up. At least try, give it a 10. Have a bit of fun.
Misguided.
Yes, good. Good. What happened to the right leg? Sticky mat. Just give it a try. It's a nice stretch and also a nice balance pose. And we never try, we never know. Probably the opposite side is easier. Let's try the opposite side. So bring the right foot forward. Palms beside the foot, parallel.
Sorry.
So first, opening up. Bring your chin up, eyes up. And then, same here, the left elbow might go down easy, the right elbow less easy. If you're struggling, just bring the foot slightly on the edge. And then rest your forehead on your thumbs. The left leg, you can either tuck the toe under or relax it down. It depends what's suitable for you for the stretch. And then, palms down. Extend the arms first. Chin up, eyes up. Now when you want to get into the balance, you need to bring the right arm from the inside outwards the foot. You need to swivel the foot with the sticky mat. It's a bit more challenging. Towards the center of the mat, under your chest. Then you tuck your left toe under. You shift your weight forward, head up. And then you're balancing. Good luck. Just play with it. Then you shift your weight forward, and eventually foot comes up. Good. Right. Let's see you stick in that something. Then you shift forward. Homework. Sit back for a moment, reach elbows. Relax, relax. Head down, just relax.
Hari Om Tat Sat. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Hari Om Tat Sat.